You can tell it's winter because there are fewer and fewer boats still on their moorings. In fact, the time has now arrived to take the Pocketship out of the water. So when the tide came in, I took the trailer around to the slipway, left it at the bottom of the slipway attached to a long rope, and brought the boat around. It was a nice high tide today, so there should be plenty of time to adjust the boat and get it to sit properly on the trailer. With some help from some of the other boat owners, we managed to get the boat on the trailer and out of the water pretty quickly. And the next job was to wash the salt off the mechanical parts of the boat and the trailer, as well as to wash the excess mud off the underside of the boat with some fresh water. Here you can see the long rope that we used to pull the trailer out of the water with the boat on it. Once at the top of the ramp, we were able to chop the wheels of the trailer to stop it rolling backwards and then take the rope off. All looks well, apart from the rubber stopper on the front of the trailer. Oops. Next I went to retrieve my mooring ropes from the pontoon. These look to be in good condition, so I'll be able to use them again next season. One thing that I actually like about sailing is that you're always learning. When we were bringing the boat out of the water before, I went over the trailer was on the slipway, but the trailer was a bit deep in the water, so it was hard to see exactly where the front of the trailer was. I could see the sides because I've got two tall bars welded onto it, but the front part managed to hit this part. So I was lined up with it perfectly well, but it bent forwards because this weld here was already weak. So that's something that will need repairing, and note to self to make some sort of marker to go on the front so I can see the front of the trailer. Possibly we need to just have it a bit further out of the water when we're retrieving the boat, so we can both see it and the boat's at the right level for the trailer as well. But anyway, it's great to have the boat out of the water. She's on the trailer, she's fine, and I can get to work and do some of these jobs now to get her ship shape ready for next season. And I'll be showing you some of these jobs in the next video. See you then!